My name is Thomas Ireland. I was gonna be a marine biologist. That's what I was dead set on all through high school. Junior year, started welding at NPT Region 3 up in Lincoln. It was really satisfying to just, be good at something. So then once people told me I kind of had a knack for it, I was like, I should pursue this. I mean, if you're good at it, why not pursue it? I first heard of Beal University. I didn't even know they had a welding program. Once I got in the welding shop and saw how big it was and all the tools and everything they have, all the welding machines, I realized it was the real deal. But, well, time is money, so Beal had a shorter program. It was straight to the point. It was really focused on just welding. And other schools that I looked at, you had to take gen ed classes, and there was no diploma program for it. It was you had to get a degree. So I decided I wanted to get in and get out, get my diploma, get the schooling I needed, and that's what Beal allowed me to do because I got in and got out real quick. I work for Chimbro. I've been there almost a year now, and right now I'm at the Portsmouth Naval Shipyard. A lot of what I do, it's welding on a platform above the water, and basically I weld spliced beams. So there's a lot of stick welding, a lot of flux core welding. It's pretty cool being at a naval shipyard, especially because not everybody gets to say they've been to a naval shipyard and they got to go in the CIA area where nobody's really allowed to go and stuff. It's pretty cool getting to go in there. My next step that I'm headed towards right now, I'd like to get into pipe welding. To be a certified welding inspector, you have to have quite a few years of experience in the field before you can even apply to take the test to be able to be a CWI. Only time will tell with that. Most thankful for all of the guidance I got while being at Beal. They actually care about the learning, and were making sure that I was working hard so that in the end game I'd be better off.